What's up guys, in this video, let's go ahead and check out the world's first NFT hardware wallet. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of SecuX. So this is Nifty, the world's first NFT hardware wallet, and all of the links to this will be in the description of the video. That way you can go ahead and visit it and check it out during your own time. So I'm very excited about this because look at how this looks like versus how all of those crypto wallets are before, and look at the functionalities. If this was released back then, it would be very big. I mean, look at this. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the shop later on. That way you would see all of the other models and all of those good stuff that you could, review and see if it fits what you need. So hardware wallet, protect your digital assets by keeping your private key offline with ultimate security. I myself, guys, have my own hardware wallet. Why? Because you have to safe keep your crypto, especially if you are in this industry. This is something that is really your bread and butter, and you have thousands and thousands of dollars of crypto in your wallet. I would not rely on MetaMask. You just rely on the internet and your crypto is just right there. It's prone to hacking and all those stuff, so you have to always invest in your security, and this is something that I feel would be beneficial for you. So advanced technology, your private key and PIN are stored in the military grade Infineon SLE solid flash CCEAL 5+ secure element, and then they have a cross-platform operation, so 1,000 plus coins and tokens. So our hardware wallet supports over 1,000 coins and tokens and can manage up to 500 accounts. Imagine that, guys. I mean, this is solid. All right, next would be the ease of use. Access and manage your portfolio easily. So manage your digital assets easily on our large 28-inch hardware wallet touchscreen. So browse through investment portfolio and verify transaction details at a glance, and you can send and receive funds safely and stress-free. So this is something that will make you sleep at night, especially if you have, again guys, thousands and thousands or maybe millions of dollars of crypto in your account. So from concept to product, the SecuX team of experts inspects safety and security features at all levels to deliver the highest quality hardware wallet. So get a hardware wallet, protect your private key. Let me go ahead and show you the shop for this one, guys. Look at those. I mean, wow. So Infineon military grade, this is V20 vault grade security solid design. Look at the edges. I like the corners. And then from concept to product, you have the features. Let's go ahead and quickly look at the features. Military grade Infineon tamper proof sealing labels, supports up to 1,000 coins. So largest 2.8-inch color touchscreen, supports multiple OS on computer and mobile. You have Bluetooth, you have USB-C or Type-C connections, compatible recoverability with BIP 32, 39, 44 standards, 2-factor authentication during Bluetooth connection, and up to 500 accounts available, and of course long battery life. So how it works, you can go ahead and check this out as well during your spare time. So safety and security information, device functions, device setup, how to connect, add accounts, and receive and send. This is very user friendly, I bet you. Okay, so this one, SecuX Wallets keeps your data offline and keep you off the radar. So secure element and tamper proof, the ones that I checked out earlier as well. Largest touchscreen on the market. With the 2.8-inch color touchscreen, you can verify all transaction details and navigate through your portfolio easily. I love the touchscreen size because the old hardware wallets has a small touchscreen and some doesn't even have a touchscreen. That's, one thing, those cheap ones. So these are the different models that they have. All of them are looking slick. Nice, very nice. So SecuX V20, you have W20 and you have W10. So these are their features. Okay, let's go ahead and check out this one. So explore your NFT adventure with SecuX Nifty hardware wallet, offline storage for your private key, clear view signing of NFT transactions, and multi-chain support of Ethereum, Polygon, BSC, plus more. So look at that. Especially right now that, there are a lot of investors of NFT. And right now, crypto is giving a very, very nice signal. Hopefully it continues and goes back into its healthy, bullish state. So love it, own it, shown it, and you personalize NFT Gallery, a comprehensive security solution for NFT collectors to safely manage, store, and show off their precious collections. So you have all these kinds of stuff, true ownership on device viewing and confirmation. You have easy access to NFT marketplaces and DeFi for buying and trading. Look at that. Wow, you can do that there? This is something big. So manage your cryptos and NFTs all in one place. Let's go ahead and check out this one, Exceed Plus. Seed backup steel punch set. I like this. Also, for me, like securing my private keys. And guys, I would not recommend storing your private keys in your computer or in your cell phone even. I would strongly suggest that you use things like this, or maybe write it in a piece of paper if you don't have this yet, and then store it in a safe or a vault or something like that. But this one, really something that can be useful for you. So look at that. So fireproof and waterproof, stamping, compatible with software and hardware wallets. This is something that you can enjoy. Look at that. Stamping. You can stamp English letters with a hammer and steel punch set to record your recovery keywords. So Exceed Plus. Stainless steel, aluminum. There are 3 stainless steel seed, and then aluminum seed, and then bespoke card holder, steel letter punch set, and engraver pen, and then tamper-proof stickers. So these are your reviews. Amazing product, new digital wallet if you're going to do business in the metaverse or with the new digital technology of the blockchain. This is the wallet you need to do your thing. So I would strongly suggest, guys, that you check them out. All of the links to this will be in the description of the video. Go ahead and check them out, see for yourself, and let us know in the comments on what you think about this. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.